Transform your presentations by effortlessly making any photo background transparent, right inside PowerPoint. Ever found yourself struggling to integrate an image cleanly into your presentation, only to be frustrated by its distracting background? Today, we're solving that problem. First, insert the image you want to edit into your PowerPoint slide. Once your image is on the slide, make sure it's selected. You'll notice new contextual tabs appear in the ribbon. Click on either the Picture Format or Format tab, depending on your PowerPoint version. Now, look for the Remove Background tool. It's usually located in the Adjustments group. Click on it, and immediately you'll see PowerPoint guess what you want to keep and what to remove, often with a purple overlay. PowerPoint does a pretty good job automatically, but we can refine it. If there are parts of the image you want to keep that are currently marked for removal, click Mark Areas to Keep. Then, simply click and drag over those areas. See how the purple disappears, and those parts are restored. Conversely, if there are parts of the background you want to remove that PowerPoint missed, click Mark Areas to Remove. And just like before, click and drag over any unwanted background elements. It's that simple. Once you're happy with the selection, click Keep Changes, and there you have it. Your professional image with a perfectly transparent background, ready to enhance your presentation's visual appeal. Give it a try and elevate your next slide.